Hello student, good morning. Today's video we are going to start new lesson number 5, Bipin Chaudhary Lapse of Memory. Before that, this video means in previous video, dear student, we finished fourth lesson. Okay, it was a comic lesson. Okay, and I think it was very easy lesson. Today's video, Bipin Chaudhary Lapse of Memory. Okay, Bipin Chaudhary is the main character in this lesson, and this lesson is written by Satyajit Ray. Okay, Satyajit Ray is, we can say, great author. He has written many novels, okay, short story, lesson, okay, poem also. So in this lesson he described the forgetfulness of Bipin Chaudhary. Okay, Satyajit Ray with surprise ending that bring it in the wake much needed, okay, psychological relief to sophisticate, execute, okay, beleaguered by conspiracy with a humorous take after all. Means in this we can see Satyajit Ray in his all stories are all lessons. Okay, he describe the characters just like a humorous, because in this story Bipin Chaudhary, okay, Bipin Chaudhary is a main character and he forgot, okay, everything about his past life. Do you have good memory? Has your memory played any trick on you? Forgetfulness often put you in a tight spot. So, okay, those person have a forgetfulness, this type of disease. Okay, this brought you in tight spot. Okay, he forget everything what happened in the past in his life. So okay, in this story Bipin Chaudhary nearly crazy because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. He didn't recollect, he didn't remember his stay at Ranchi or not. Okay, he insist what he insists, he has never been at Ranchi. He insists through there are many witnesses to the contrary. Okay, there were so many witnesses. Okay, everyone was saying that he was stay in Ranchi, but he was not ready. I was in Ranchi. Okay, he insists that he has never been at Ranchi. Okay, so what is suspense in this lesson? Okay, we will see one by one. Okay, page number 48. Okay, there are 4 parts in this lesson. So today, dear student, today's video I am going to start first part of this lesson. Every Monday on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in and Kali Charan New Market to buy a book. Okay, so dear student, every Monday mornings, what was the habit of Bipin Chaudhary? Okay, he buy books. From Kali Charans. Okay, Kali Charans is the name of shopkeeper, and in a new market to buy books. Okay, it was a good habit. For Bipin Chaudhary. Every Monday mornings, okay, he would buy new books. Crime story. So which type of books? Okay, he was buying crime stories, ghost stories, and thrillers. Okay, this type of stories, okay, he was reading every day, and every Monday mornings, okay, he was purchasing the books from the Kalicharan book stall. Okay, so he had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through a week. So at a time, okay, how many books he was buying? At a time he buy of 5 books. कितने books लेता था वो? 5. Dear student, listen carefully. Okay, at a times he buy of 5 books. Okay, every Monday mornings, and he was buying crime stories, ghost stories, okay, and thrillers. This type of books, okay, he was buying every Monday mornings. He lived alone. Okay, he lived alone. Was not good mixture, had a few friends, and didn't take spending time in idle chat. So the nature of Bipin Chaudhary was very silent. He don't want to mix any other friends. He had a few friends. He had no, you can say, many friends. And next point is he did not want to spending his time idle chat. He did not like to chatting with any others. So he was living just like a lonely life, and he was alone in his home. Today at Kalicharan Bipin Babu Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. So one Monday mornings, Bipin Babu means Bipin Chaudhary was buying that story books. So he thought that someone is observing him from the close quarters. उसको लगा कि कोई तो भी मुझे ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है, कोई तो भी मेरे तरफ देख रहा है. He turned round and round himself, looking at the round face, meek looking man, who now broke into smile. So he turned round and round, okay, again and again, okay, he turned his neck and he saw there who is looking at me, okay, frequently, who is observing me, okay, and round face and meek looking man who now broke into smile. And that man, okay, he was, we can say, giving smile to Bipin Chaudhary. Okay, he saw that the man was very, we can say, idle, and he was looking at him and he was smiling. I don't suppose you recognize me. The man said, I don't suppose you recognize me. मुझे लगता है मैंने आपको पहचाना है. Have you met me before? asked Bipin Babu. And Bipin Chaudhary, okay, asked that person, have you met me before? इसके पहले हम मिले हैं. The man looked greatly surprised. Okay, by, you can say, by giving that answer, the man becomes greatly surprised. We met every day. We met every day for a whole week. We met every day for a whole week. I arranged for a car to take you to the Woodruff Halls in 1958 in Ranchi. The man said that, okay, we will meet every day, okay, and I arranged a car for you. Where? Woodruff Halls. Okay, that time we spent a time in halls, and that time I arranged a car for you in 1958 in Ranchi. ये कब की बात है? 1958. Okay, Ranchi. My name is Parimal Ghosh. What was the name of that person? That person name was Parimal Ghosh, and he recollect his memory. But Bipin Chaudhary, okay, he was, you can say, he thought that how the person is saying about I am Parimal Ghosh. Okay, we met every day, and in 1958 I was in Ranchi. So okay, by hear this, we can say answer, Bipin Chaudhary, Ranchi. Okay, now Bipin Babu realized that it was not, but this man who was making him mistake. So okay, Bipin Chaudhary thought that the man making a mistake, because Bipin Chaudhary, okay, forget all these things, okay, when he was in Ranchi in 1950, okay, that you can say incident, he forget everything. He never, you can say, remember. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. He had seen at point of going several times, but never made it. He smiled and said, do you know who I am? So Bipin Babu said that I had never been to Ranchi. इसके पहले मैं कभी रांची में नहीं रहा. He had been at point of going several times but never made it. He smiled and said, do you know who I am? आपको पता नहीं है कि मैं कौन हूँ? Okay, you said I am Bipin Chaudhary and I stay at Ranchi. Okay, I think you are making a mistake. You are making a mistake. He smiled. Do you know who I am? The man raised his eyebrow. By hearing this answer, the man raised his eyebrow this time, bit his tongue and said, do I know you? Do I know you? उसको लगा, बिपिन चौधरी को कहा कि पता नहीं है मैं कौन हूँ, आप बहुत भूल कर रहे हो. इसके पहले मैं रांची में गया नहीं और रांची में मैं रहा भी नहीं, लेकिन आप बोल रहे हो कि हर दिन मिलते थे. Okay, we met every day or whole week. Okay, it is totally wrong. आपको पता नहीं है मैं कौन हूँ. The man said, yes, I know. I know who are you. You doesn't know बिपिन चौधरी. बिपिन चौधरी आपको कौन नहीं पहचानता. Your name is बिपिन चौधरी. Bipin Babu now turned toward the book slaves and said, Bipin Babu, okay, turned toward the book slaves and said, still you are making mistake. Okay, he turned toward the books and he said to the man, you are making a once again mistake. One often does. I have never been to Ranchi. मैं आपको एक बार और बताता हूँ. I never been to Ranchi. मैं रांची में नहीं रहा. Okay, the man now laughed aloud. Okay, by hearing this answer, the man started laughing loudly because he thought that how the Bipin Chaudhary is saying this type of, you can say, crazy answer. Okay, so dear student, in the next video we will see next portion of this lesson. Thank you.